What's up, everybody? My name is Eric Bland. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I appreciate it. Today we're going to do a unboxing of the Ryobi 40 volt lithium brushless self-propelled 20-inch cordless lawnmower. Got it from Home Depot. It's Father's Day weekend, so it's on sale from $3.99 for $3.70 or $3.79. I had I'm a big gas guy when it comes to gas-powered lawnmower, gas-powered blower, gas-powered, all that stuff. There's just something about it, the horsepower. Well, then I went from a Ryobi, from a gas-powered weed trimmer because I was sick of just pulling it and it not working, to the weed trimmer. Phenomenal. Then I got the blower from Ryobi. Phenomenal. There's no more yanking and pulling. Alright, so as I open this up, comes with the bagger. Alright. Bagger. Throw that together there. It has these little clips on there. You can just fold this over. Like so. Real simple. Nothing too crazy. We'll just put everything together here. I'm so sick and tired, and maybe you guys are too, of pulling lawnmowers and they just not start. I'd rather have to charge mine up and have to come back rather than keep on, yanking on it. Alright, so we have that. Let's see, we have the battery charger. Just like that. I'm going to plug this one in. And then let's get the battery. I don't know where that cutter went, I just said. Open this up. I think this is it, yeah. So let's just get this charged up. This says it takes about 90 minutes to charge. So I know we're all geeked up in the beginning and wanting to go ahead and play with our new toy. Yep. And it says it's fully charged, so I'll put it on there anyway. Throw that back in here. My Troy built through a piston. So I thought, man, this would be a good time to maybe check out the battery powered ones. Alright, looks like that's the mulcher. Comes with. I threw a piston. I bought the Troy built. It was a self-propelled as well. I bought it maybe 2 years ago, and it threw a piston, and that cost me $110. And I think the mower cost me around $325 or something like that at Home Depot. And so, I already got my money into the same amount as this. This was $401 after taxes and everything. Let's go ahead and set this on the ground. Alright. So, it says it has 8. Let's go ahead. Alright, we're going to learn together here. As for I don't know how this all works. So, we have some pull handles here. That looks like that releases. And as you're releasing it, it pulls up like that. And there's 2 different settings here. It looks like a setting here and a setting there. And then these ones here pop down And you can go ahead and pull this straight up and then lock this back in. So then that way it's all set to go. All right, and so I have that. Also, what's really cool about this mower here is this part will raise up all 4 tires, and that way you don't have to do this tire, this tire, this tire, same thing. Goes one right back down, right back up, and you're all set to go. As you open this up here, this does have the key. That key you have to have in order for this to go. Also, there's a spot here for the extra battery. You won't necessarily need that unless you have 2 batteries. The other battery goes right in here, and this is where the charging port is here. It does have some lights here, so if you're working in the dark and things like that. But it's got a handle in the front and handle in the back. It's pretty. I mean, it is pretty light for being a mower. Way lighter than the heavy metal bottom. The one thing that made me nervous about this machine, everything's plastic. But they say it works good, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at it. Alright, let's go mow with it.